It's not easy to determine exactly where to start.
We are here today to witness and join two lives. Celebration of marriage between Ryan Daniel Lee and Rachel Aaron Adams.
Forget about tonight.
When such a flood of emotions is engulfing your heart, there are so many sentiments I want to express.
Don't think about today.
As I gaze at you so beautiful in your
Just
wedding
keep
dress.
your eyes on me.
It may be a cliche, but time truly has
Take
flown
a
by.
chance on love. This is the start.
This is a time to
of
pause, look back, and smile at all the moments that brought them here. At a time to look ahead at all the magical moments that are yet to come.
This is where it now begins. 'Cause we are more than just two friends. So take my hand and
Yet you'll
I'll
always be
take
my little girl, at least in my mind's eye.
I'll never let you fall again. I've got you. You've got me. I've got you. You've got me.
But today you begin a brand new chapter of your life as you embark on the journey of husband and wife.
As many of you know, Ryan and Rachel met on Tinder. Was that funny?
We're just two crude pieces, iron and wood.
They swiped right, and I don't even know what that means.
Mother's love. We're the north and the south.
Their differences balance and complement each other. Ryan can reach the top shelf, and Rachel can reach the bottom.
Apart. Two dogs,
He does the math, she makes friends.
but I know I love you. Don't be shy. We're gonna set this whole wide world on fire. You know I love.
Ryan. Hi. You're so cute. He looks so good.
What?
We're just two brave street girls.
Rachel,
You're doing great.
thank you.
He's done.
One word down.
So free, so scared out of our mind.
Ever since I was a little girl, I've dreamt of finding a man like you.
Whose love we are physicians' knives.
You are my best friend, my soulmate, lover of my life, and woman of my dreams.
Our relationship is something so special, raw and pure. Rare. It's not raw.
It's raw, it's raw.
Whoa.
This whole wide world on fire. You know I love you. Don't
In you, I have found my big why. You make me feel loved more than I thought possible.
can't be denied. We're gonna set this whole wide world.
You have this magical way of taking ordinary moments and making them even better.
We're gonna set this whole wide world.
You have enhanced my world in so many ways. Delicious and healthy meals. Sparkles everywhere. I love your generous heart, your creative genius, and how your shining personality positively affects everyone around you.
Rachel, when you were born, the sun rose a bit brighter and you lit up the world around you. This is still true.
This is my love song to you. Let every woman know I'm yours.
I promise to be the best husband, father, and partner that I can be.
Dreaming of you more. You're always so
Watching you and Ryan together these past 2 years has delighted us.
my gaze. Well, you're the only one I see, love.
Your life held and holds great promise.
I'll never stop trying. I'll never stop watching as you
I promise to love you and make sure that you feel loved. I promise to do your math and get things down from the top shelf.
I'll never stop holding your hand. I'll never stop opening your door. I'll never stop choosing.
You cherish your family, and we cherish you.
The wedding is just a day. What matters more is how we treat each other every day and the love, commitment, and connection that we share.
Our wish for you has always been that you find a life partner that will know how special you are and give you all the love, the care, the support, the fun, the pleasure, the joy, the children that you could ever want.
I'll never stop trying. I'll never
So
stop
today is the day we commit our lives together. I committed my heart to you a long time ago.
my breath. Every time I see you looking back at me, I'll never stop.
We've never seen him so happy. He glows and you sparkle.
I'll never stop choosing you, babe. I'll never get used to you.
So this song is called I Do, and it was written with a lot of love by my older brothers Stu Chase and me.
Sometimes I wonder how it used to be before you.
So Rachel and I met back in college. At the time, Rachel was friends with my roommate at the time. And Rachel and I just hit it off so well, we ended up switching roommates.
Memories so perfect, how it first began. We've laughed and we've cried and we're still best of friends. So now after waiting, I'm ready to say that I do. Look into my eyes and watch these tears fall. I'm ready now to call you mine and say I do.
We've actually become more like sisters. And like sisters, we've been through so much together. Lots of ups, some downs, mostly ups.
To call you mine and say I do. I do. Yes,
Ryan,
I
from the first date, you changed Rachel's life, and I just couldn't wait to meet you. She even wrote in her journal that she knew she was going to marry you after the 7th date. Who does that?
Baby, I choose you. I choose you. I do.
On the ebb tide beach, everything we pick up is alive.
There you are, on a castle in the sky. You will watch the dragons fly into the night. If it rains, you'll be the first to know.
I've seen you in the mirror primping and prepping for hours. If you don't know this about Ryan, it will take him an hour to get ready no matter where he goes. Thankfully, Rachel's okay with this. Longer than me. Yes, longer than Rachel, and I knew it was gonna come out. I was guessing, but I was pretty confident that he was longer than Rachel there.
Just past the point of make-believe.
That is one thing you'll learn about Ryan, is he's intensely curious about everything. Whether he knows it or not, he's curious about it. And he will ask you, and he will dig, and he will poke, and he will prod. And then his logical brain, which is one of the greatest things I love about you, sir, is that brain of yours. It's so logical. It's amazing.
Thank you for being the man of Rachel's dreams. You really are, and that makes me so happy, and I know everyone here is so happy. You two are truly meant for each other, and I just wish the best for you. I'm so happy.
Rachel, I think you were the best match for Ryan ever. It's one of the reasons you guys are such a good fit. Because Ryan, you are the same way, are very similar in different ways, but totally together.
Rachel, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and devotion. I offer you my heart, my hand, and my love. And I pledge myself to you from this day forward.
Ryan, I give you this ring as a symbol of my love and devotion. I offer you my heart, my hand, and my love, and I pledge myself to you for this day forward.
What? Right. But everybody gets free drinks all week, right? Yeah, Mexico! Woo!
I've known Ryan since high school. He was my first friend in high school. I had 0 and then I had 1. That's pretty good, right?
Applauses, please.
Ryan opens the door, he puts his bags down, doesn't say a word, walks inside. Around the corner comes Rachel. She doesn't say a word. They walk to each other, they embrace each other and give themselves this huge, enormous hug.
So I'll shoot you straight. The only thing that takes my breath away is you.
Rachel just kind of nestles into Ryan, and Ryan nestles into her as well. And they hold each other for a moment that seems like a long time, and it's really only a few seconds.
The choices that
Trust in each other. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Be each other's strength when confronting life's heartaches. But most of all, just love.
They're holding each other so close that it's almost like they won't survive if they let each other go.
My dear Rachel, you have blossomed into a magnificent flower, filled with the effervescence of life, love, and success.
so I'll shoot you
We feel that we have grown so much together in the last few years and have been blessed to be a part of your journey from Tinder until I do.
Thank God you swiped right.
You have made it happen. You've honed these talents. You've used your skills. And you've followed your dreams.
completely and without reserve. Do that and you'll be blessed with the happiness you deserve.
I now pronounce you husband and wife. Ryan, you may kiss the bride.
Your strengths already complement each other, and I'm so excited to see what the future holds for you two.
I promise to make you happy. I promise to hold your hand and be present with you.
Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray! Hip hip!
Through life and loss, great times and sad, I choose to share it every day with you. I choose you.
We hold each other so tight that it almost seems like it's something that it's the way it's supposed to be. And when you see something like that, you absolutely know it's real.
Ryan, you are my best friend. You're my happiness, and you're my home.